When it comes to wiring for cylinders, there's a few things to consider. If you have the Daikin part plumb cylinder, be wary that the immersion or booster heater has no thermostat, so please don't give this a temporary supply for getting hot water to the customer whilst finishing your installation. The immersion power must come from the K3M contactor. There is a cable entry point at the bottom of the cylinder, and you will require a draw wire to get the immersion cable and thermistor to the electrical box. Pull the booster heater safety thermostat forward to gain access to the earth connection, and once connected, ensure it's correctly secured in place and connect the live and neutral wiring to the casing on top. The cylinder sensor is slid upwards into the stat file on all models except for the 200-litre cylinder. Ensure that it's secure and cannot fall out, as this can lead to overheating and faults on the unit. You may need a small screwdriver to push the thermistor into place. On the 200-litre cylinder, the thermistor pocket is external to the switch box and on the side of the cylinder. It's not recommended that the sensor cable is extended, shortened, or cut, as this can change the resistance and therefore temperature readings. Please call us if you need to adjust this at any point. If you have a third-party cylinder, then power to the immersion heater still comes from the K3M contactor, and the thermistor must be fitted in the appropriate pocket. On the Daikin R32 pre-plumb cylinder, a lot of this is also pre-wired. It will come with a fly lead for the main power, which can be fed from a 16-amp switched fuse spur. We still need to connect our thermistor to the X9A plug at the PCB, and all we need now is a 4-core cable from the cylinder to the unit. Remove the cover from the cylinder wiring center, and terminal 3 is for an earth back to the unit. With the cylinder, you will receive the X13A plug that controls our immersion heater and plugs into the PCB. On the other end of this plug, you will find a Wago connector that we can extend to go to terminal 10 at our cylinder wiring center. Terminal 11 and 12 here then connects to the X2M contactor at 12 and 13 to control the diverter valve. Diagrams, schematics, and the wiring booklets are your friends when it comes to any of the system wiring. Please follow them carefully for your installation to go smoothly.